Well, I had this brilliant idea to, instead of bringing or buying wood, bring some charcoal. I only need little fires. I don't need a big fire to grill stuff and make toast. And this here is a little charcoal starter. So I'm gonna go ahead and start a few pieces of charcoal in the fire pit over there, and get my I've got some chicken that has leftovers from the other day, some baked chicken. I'm gonna warm that up. Now I got 5 briquettes on the go there, and I threw some of that fire starter on it and let that burn down, and then I'll put my grill on top. There I've got my portable grill on. I think there's some heat. Yeah, there's some heat there. I'm gonna put my chicken on now and see. That's a neat little grill. The heat is not all that great, but I can see some white on the edges of the charcoal, which tend to suggest that is burning. Generating a lot of heat. And the thing is, these legs are just pieces of wire, stiff wire, that you can just push down into the earth and get it closer to the coals, so you can regulate your heat that way. We'll see how it does toast in the morning. Again, another 5 coals, getting them ready for toast. Well, here's the toast. It's coming along. It's getting toasted, but it might end up smelling a little bit like barbecue. But anyway, better than nothing. Toast by a charcoal grill. Not bad. Let's see how it tastes.